Hello everyone. In this video, we will take a look at Sell the Trend and whether it is a legitimate dropshipping tool or a scam. The link to sign up for a free trial is in the description. Sell the Trend is an all-in-one software solution tailored for dropshippers, providing a comprehensive set of tools to help users discover winning products, analyze market trends, and streamline their order fulfillment processes. The platform leverages advanced data analytics and AI-driven insights to identify trending products that are performing well across multiple e-commerce marketplaces, including AliExpress, Amazon, and TikTok. One of Sell. The Trend's key features is its powerful product research tool, which enables users to stay ahead of market trends by identifying high-demand items with strong sales potential. By analyzing data from various sources, the platform helps users make informed decisions about which products to add to their stores. Additionally, Sell the Trend simplifies the process of importing products directly to online stores, allowing users to seamlessly integrate with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. Beyond product discovery, Sell the Trend also offers automation tools that optimize order fulfillment, reducing the time and effort required to manage an online store. Users can track product performance, monitor competitors, and gain valuable insights into pricing strategies, helping them maximize profits and stay competitive in the dynamic world of dropshipping. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced dropshipper, Sell the Trend provides the resources needed to scale your business efficiently. Some individuals may question whether Sell the Trend is a scam. However, it is not. Sell the Trend is a legitimate and widely used platform designed to help dropshippers identify profitable products. This tool leverages real-time data, AI-powered analytics, and advanced product research features to assist users in making informed business decisions. It provides insights into trending items, market demand, and competitor strategies, helping dropshippers stay ahead in a competitive landscape. While the platform does not guarantee success, it equips users with valuable resources that can significantly increase their chances of finding high-performing products and running a successful dropshipping business. To begin using Sell the Trend, click the link provided in the description and sign up for a free trial. The registration process is simple and requires only basic details such as your email address and password. Once you have successfully created your account, log in to access the platform's dashboard. The dashboard serves as the central hub where you can explore all the available tools and insights designed to help with product research and store automation. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you will find a navigation panel with various options, including product research, trending products, store automation, and other essential features. Each of these sections provides valuable data and functionalities to help you identify profitable products, track market trends, and streamline your e-commerce operations. The AI-powered product research tool is designed to help you identify the best-selling and most profitable items in various markets. By leveraging advanced algorithms, the tool analyzes vast amounts of data to highlight trending products with high demand. Users can refine their search by applying multiple filters such as country, product category, number of orders, or the recency of sales data. This allows for a more targeted approach when selecting items to sell. Additionally, the platform provides key insights, including estimated profit margins, projected sales volume, and in-depth supplier details. These features enable users to make data-driven decisions, optimize their product selection, and maximize their business potential. Sell the Trend offers a range of features designed to streamline product research and order fulfillment for dropshippers. One particularly useful feature is the ability to track trending products on TikTok. The platform gathers viral product videos in one place, eliminating the need to manually search through TikTok. This saves users both time and effort while ensuring they stay updated on popular and potentially profitable products. By analyzing the compiled trending videos, dropshippers can quickly assess demand, engagement, and market viability, making it easier to identify winning products. Another key feature is Sell the Trend's one-click order fulfillment system, which simplifies the purchasing process. Instead of relying on third-party software, users can place orders directly through the platform. This integration provides essential details such as supplier information, estimated shipping times, and pricing, allowing users to make informed decisions before placing an order. By streamlining fulfillment, Sell the Trend helps dropshippers manage their business efficiently while reducing operational complexity. Additionally, Sell the Trend offers a free dropshipping course, making it an excellent resource for beginners looking to enter the e-commerce space. The course covers fundamental aspects of running a successful dropshipping business, including product research, store setup, and advertising strategies on platforms like Facebook and TikTok. By providing educational content alongside its powerful research and fulfillment tools, Sell the Trend equips users with the knowledge and resources necessary to build and grow a profitable online store. Sell the Trend is an all-in-one tool designed to help dropshippers find and sell trending products efficiently. If you want to try it yourself, use the link in the description to sign up for a free trial. That's all for this video.